Okay, it's July 29th, and this is what's in my backyard. See that thing? Whoops, I'm gonna get stung. I'm just letting you know, because it's not gonna be there in 2 seconds.
Oh, so close! It was so close.
Otherwise, you gotta go right up to it.
I guess. What kind of bee are they?
I'm like right up in it. I've never seen anything like. You know what? I'm killing more. I'm not kidding. I want him dead now. 14 touchdowns, nothing. Right on it!
It's smoking. No, it's not. Just kidding. I lied.
No, be careful.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Dude, I'm not playing. In the name of Jesus.
Oh my god.
Don't even. Lord. Piss me off.
Oh my
I
god.
need a match. I need a match before it dries up.
Oh my god. Ooh, watch out for that one.
I gotta light a piece of paper.
They're so pissed off right now.
Yes.
So
They're
angry.
like darting.
Look at them. Luke, get out here. Get out of here.
Are you freaking kidding me? I got butane lighter fluid on this and it won't light.
Oh my god. There we go. Like a torch. Oh my god.
It didn't light. I'm done.
Oh my gosh.
I'm completely done. I'm spent. We're out. How can this be? I have gasoline, butane, and isopropyl 91% alcohol, a freaking lighter, a match, a torch, and I can't get the thing to light.